Hey everyone, this is Paul, and in today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 10 or 11 PC back to factory settings so that it runs brand new again. I really wanted to make a video on this because I get a lot of email from people who are just ready to give up on their PC due to all its problems. But the solution is very simple and not many people know about it. In fact, I even reset my PC every few years because over time, Windows Update and third-party programs makes it a bit buggy. Your PC could be running slower, acting strange, programs keep crashing, infected with a virus or malware, or your PC is just full of errors or lags in general. It doesn't matter what the reason is. When we reset your PC, we'll bring it back to exactly the way it was when you first bought it. Any problems you're experiencing on your PC will be solved at the end of this video, and you will pretty much have a brand new PC. There is something quick I want to mention. If the only issue you're having with your PC is that it's running slow, I have a full step-by-step video with over 1 million views and countless positive comments on how to speed up your Windows 10 and 11 PC. So that might be an option for you if speed is your only issue. Anyways, let's keep going. So, what is Windows Reset? It is basically a way to fully reformat and bring your Windows PC back to its factory settings. The way I do it also gets rid of bloatware and unwanted programs, so it'll really be like a brand new barebone PC that you can use to do whatever you want. We'll be targeting a full reset in this video, so we'll need to back up all your important files. I've noticed every other video says the same thing about backing up your files, but none of them actually goes into the details on how or what to back up. So I'll be guiding you through that step by step. But if you've already backed up all your files, then feel free to skip this section. To back up all your files, you're going to need a USB flash drive, portable hard drive, or a cloud storage service. If you don't have any, you could just use Google Drive. It gives you 15 gig worth of space for free. Now the next question is, what do you back up? The easy way I like to think about this is, number 1, pretend every single file on this PC will be gone. Number 2, what are the files that you use and wish weren't gone? Number 3, those are the files that you should back up. So once the reset is complete, we can copy those files back into our reformatted PC. Okay, so first, let's go back up all the common locations. Open up your Start menu and then start typing this PC. And click on this icon to open it. Next, go to your C drive, click on Users, and then your username. What I'm now going to do is hold down the Control key so that I can select multiple folders. And then what I like to back up is desktop, documents, downloads, music, pictures, and videos. So now that I have all of them highlighted, I'm going to right click on any of them and choose Copy. Next, I can just go back to this PC and choose my USB drive that I inserted. I created a folder called PC Backup Files so that I'll go into it, right click on it, and just hit paste. Once it's done copying, you'll notice all my files are in the USB drive. If you want to back up your files on an online service like Google Drive, then all you have to do is open up a browser and log into your Google Drive. When you get here, I usually create a new folder and call it PC Backup. Then go into it. And then once again, I'm going to select what I want to back up. And now you can just drag and drop into your browser. It might take a while, so just wait for it to finish. Next, go figure out what else do you need to back up. Spend 5 to 10 minutes going over your desktop to look for files that is important to you. When you find them, make sure to back them up exactly the same way. Once you're done backing up all your important files, we can move on to the next step. Believe it or not, that was the hard part. Now we'll easily reset your Windows back to factory settings and grab a fresh new install of Windows. Please do not follow along if you're watching this on the PC you're going to reset. If you are, then just watch the full video first and then follow along. Otherwise, you'll end up resetting this PC in the middle of the video and won't know the next steps. Okay, so let's finally reset our PC. Open Start and start typing reset. You're going to find a menu that says reset this PC. Click on it. From here, a new window will pop up that says reset this PC, and all you have to do is click get started. When this new window pops up, you're going to choose remove everything. This is what I was talking about earlier when I said full reset. I always recommend choosing remove everything because that's how you know for sure that you'll have a brand new PC performance. If you choose keep my files, yes, you'll have your old program still installed, but you'll also have Windows, which is only partially reset. And you can't really know if that's enough until you try it. Even if it's enough for now, it might cause your problems to come back in the future. So with that said, think about it and make your choice. I'll be going with the full reset because I already backed up everything. Next, you'll get to this screen. I highly recommend choosing Cloud Download. That way you'll get the latest version of Windows installed. But if you're not connected to the internet, I don't know how you're watching this video, but then I would choose local reinstall. So once again, make your choice and let's keep going. So read the summary on what's about to happen and then click Next. Now you just have to wait. This process should take anywhere from 30 minutes to about 2 hours, and your PC should be restarting a couple of times. So just be patient and let it do its thing. Now all you have to do is click on Reset. Now if you're in the scenario where you can't even reach Windows, then don't worry, there is another way to fully reset your PC. All you have to do is keep trying to start it up and it should fail and restart it again. Then eventually you will reach a screen similar to this that says preparing automatic repair. Eventually you will end up in this blue screen. From here, all you have to do is click on Troubleshoot and choose Reset this PC. From here, once again, follow the same step, which is remove everything. And then once again, it'll start the reset process. If you reach this screen, I would choose just remove my files. And once again, wait for the reset to complete. Now, if your PC is so bad that you can't even reach that blue screen, there is a last resort way to reformat and reinstall Windows. What you're going to do is insert a fresh USB drive into a working PC. It could be yours or your friend's. Download and open a software called Windows Media Creation Tool. Just search for it on Google and it should be right on Microsoft support website. Next, you're going to use Windows Media Creation Tool to install bootable Windows on your USB drive that you just inserted. Next, you're going to plug that USB drive into your broken computer while it's completely turned off. Then you're going to turn that PC on and you should be reaching this screen. Follow the prompt to reformat and reinstall Windows. When it's done resetting, you will eventually end up on this screen. From here, all you have to do is follow the prompt. and eventually you'll end up on this screen. I highly recommend turning every single thing off here. And the reason for that is it prevents Microsoft from collecting your data. And there are less things running in the background that slows down your PC. When you're done, just click accept. And there you have it. Now that you're done, run Windows Update and copy all your backed up files back into this PC. Also, be sure to download and install Pegasun System Utilities because it will optimize and remove even more bloatwares to speed up your Windows much more. I'll have the download link in the comment section. Lastly, if you guys like this video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and share. If you guys have any Windows question or have an idea for the next video, be sure to leave a comment because I check and reply to every one of them. Take care, guys.